I'm here with my top 5 picks for 2020 Gerber Knives. Now I'm telling you right now, only like and subscribe if you like the content. Now here we have the Principal. The specific things about this knife that make it unique is the zero-edge Scandinavian grind, the 90-degree fire strike spine, the MOLLE, vertical or scout carry options, and with those options comes a sheath that allows you to carry your knife in almost any fashion that you can carry knives. And in the handle, you have a rubber over mold for comfort and prolonged use. And 3 ports in that handle that serve as weight reduction as well as lashing points if needed. This knife comes in a few different color options. Coyote is probably my favorite. It's a good looking knife and you can pick it up for 60 bucks. Coming in at number 4 is the Empower with the S30 V-Steel, and definitely my favorite look of all the color options that the Empower has. The black oxide blade with the black handle. Thing just looks nasty. Now a lot of the premium features with this knife are more towards the handle, with the armored grip hand plates, the safety slide, and the plunge lock. The Empower was made in the USA, has a lifetime warranty, and you can pick it up for just around 130 bucks. Now coming in number 3 is the Flat Iron. This is one of Gerber's most popular new knives. It's got D2 blade steel for the high corrosion and wear resistance, and Gerber's claim for its best in-class ergonomics, a cleaver style blade to give it its unique look, and all for around 46 bucks. Now number 2 is a Strongarm. This plain edge, full tang 420HC steel blade is coated in black ceramic, and man, it looks good. When they crafted this knife, they had easy to use stainless and easy to sharpen in mind, because this knife has a number of features that really set it apart from the other knives. The rubberized diamond texture on the handle gives you great grip whether you're working in wet conditions, dry conditions, or you have material between your hand and the handle. You'll not worry about letting loose of this blade. Some of the other features that this knife offers is the striking pommel. That's going to make this knife really one of the most versatile blades of all the knives that I've talked about today. You have nylon webbing for your drop leg carry or standard retention, detachable belt hoops for horizontal carry, and snap-in MOLLE straps, making this knife the most practical one I have on my list. But the only reason why I didn't take the number 1 spot is because it's not the most reasonable. Not being able to collapse the blade into the handle brings up a lot of issues. With all the different carry options, you have the ability to strap it to really anything that you want. But when you want to conceal carry or pack this knife away in your pack, it's just not the best option. This knife's made in the USA and you can pick it up for around 70 bucks. And coming in at number 1 for me is the Gator clip point. This one might be a little controversial to you knife collectors out there, but from my personal experience, this is the one that I just absolutely love. Not all of Gerber's knives are as reliable or sell as well that they just go out and make an extended line on them. My favorite of all these versions is the Gator clip point, but if I had to make a second choice, it'd be the Gator premium drop point. You can't collapse it, but it is just a stellar looking knife, very clean. Now for me, one of the biggest features on this knife really is the handle. From the ergonomics to the rubberized Gator print grip, I just don't know what it is, but it feels, I have larger hands, it feels solid in my hands. It just feels like right where it needs to be for prolonged use. I've just really enjoyed the use that I get out of this knife. It's a USA made knife, which is something I'm always a fan of, and the best part about this knife is that Gerber sells it for $43. That's an amazing price point for one of my favorite knives that Gerber offers. Now, like I said earlier, there's a premium version of this, and if I had to pick one of the options, it would be the Gator drop point fixed knife. This knife, it's a solid option, and on top of that, it looks stellar. If you're gonna go after that premium drop point fixed, you're gonna be looking at just over 100 bucks, but still, this platform, it's proven itself, It's amazing, I love it. And if you don't believe me, click on the link I have in the description and check it out for yourself. Now that's been my top 5 Gerber knives of 2020. If you've liked this video, please hit the like button, comment on your favorite piece of information, or what knives that you end up using. I'm Brandon, this is Tech Gear Clothing, and we'll catch you next time.